once exclusive Air Jordan 3 Starfish, which was previously only a leak, is now officially unveiled in 2025 as Jordan brand continues to wrap up its 40th anniversary celebration. In this version, the entire textile build is dressed in a combination of Sail and Starfish Orange. The pair seems more lifestyle focused because the upper is made of woven fabrics that look natural. The toe and heel are encircled by orange suede, while the collar and overlays are dominated by neutral canvas panels. A vintage vibe is added to the contemporary remake with withered sail midsoles and transparent outsoles, while Jumpman logo is embroidered on the tongue and heel to maintain the iconic throwback style. While elephant print is usually used to define the silhouette of the Air Jordan 3, this pair chooses a softer, more tactile finish, substituting textured materials and pure color blocking for customary decoration. Predicted for release in women's sizes in the summer of 2025 is the Air Jordan 3 Starfish.